How to fix PS4 Error WC-40382-7. Please follow the steps below to fix PS4 Error WC-40382-7 yourself. 1. Make sure that your credit card details are entered correctly. 2. Ensure that the address information on your account is exactly the same as those on the statement provided by your card issuer. 3. If this does not solve your issue, please Google then read Sony's article on correcting billing errors. 4. Try, read. Adding your card information via account management on a computer-based web browser instead. 5. If you have tried adding your details more than once in the last 24 hours, don't try adding it again and wait for another 24 hours before trying again.